Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you everyone? In this video we will show some way to maybe help us to attack a website. And this video just for learning, and we will talk about the first thing about HTTP analysis, and we will see how we can see the HTTP traffic and the way of it by using a program. The first thing I do, I will open the browser and I will open this website. And I will go to the HTTP history, and I can see here the website I opened in the hosts. And here I will enter anything in the search bar. Maybe I will enter any name, and I will click on the search bar. When I click on the search bar, I can see here in the search query, I can see what I entered in the search bar. And this is the HTTP information, and I can see the get method, what I search about it, and the host, and I can see the connection, the upgrade, increase, the request. Also here I can see from which operating system I search. Here I'm using a Windows, maybe someone else using Linux or a Mac. You will know here. This is as we see. The second thing I will show you about also HTTP traffic, but the first thing I want to check the intercepts off. So I will go to this website. This is the login page, and now I will enter any password, any username, sorry, and I will enter any password, and I will make interceptors on, and I will put login. As I can see here, it show me the first thing that from the URL I use. It show me the length, the request, the original URL. Also here we can see the cookies, and we can see here what we entered, the username and password we entered. This is the second thing. We will go to the URL to see the map of it, the file inside this website. So I will enter add. Here I will post this URL, and I will click OK. Now in sitemap, the first thing I will go here and open this website. I forget to make intercepts off, and it should open now. When I enter this website, I should go to the target and map. I should see the name of this website, which is the and here the HTTP also traffic I can see here, and here I can see the file related this website, the map, everything inside it, the build file. As you see, this is the file has JavaScript, the PHP file, the XML file, and all of this can have information help me to attack this website. The second way we're learning is the hacking web server by using SQL Injection Vulnerability. This SQL Injection Vulnerability, it's just make it confusing. It's like equation. We will send this equation to the server. It makes it confusing for the server, and to allow the server give us the database. And this vulnerability is very risk because this allow attacker to update the database or deleting something from it, or install malicious for this, or steal some information from other users. Okay, I used this website because I couldn't try it on any website, so this website had this vulnerability. So I enter dash, just a single dash or another single dash, one single dash equal single dash one, and I will put a space here and here, and I will do submit. When I submit it, now I will get the database from this website. I get the name and each data for each name, and this way maybe if like hacker, I steal this information and use it from a bad side, or maybe it's if this vulnerability in a bank website, maybe attackers steal the information from the banks, from other customer, and steal their money. The third thing in this video, we will we will do some reconnaissance by using some tools, and I will explain some idea of each tool. The first tool we will use it, which call what web. And the first thing I will just go to root, because some tools doesn't work in a normal user. I should go to root. So we will use what web. This I will put this command here. And what web command, it will show us if this website, maybe just check if it has vulnerability or not. The output we have the first thing, the website, the states of this website, and the title, also the country, the IP address, as you can see here. Also from where I do the search about it, I use a Linux, a Deepin Linux. Also you can see the Apache here, and the version, and this number is related to Google Doc. You can search about it, and this the website related to the Apache. Also you can this operating system I used, and also this operating system from HTTP server, and this the Apache. As you can see here, we can see some HTTP header and the time you open this, the Apache again, the connection, and all of this information maybe help the attacker and give him some good information to do attack. The second tool I will use, which is I will do SSL scan, and we will show what's the output of this scanning. Now SSL scan, it's search also again about the vulnerability. As we can see here, we have this the version. Okay, we should know the version. Here the IP, connect for which IP. Here the SSL and TLS protocols. We can see a different color. These protocols and this different color. The green color, it's show you tell you you are in a safe way. It's got secure here, and here tell you you have a yellow color, tell you you have a weak. You are in the middle, not a very secure and not a bad secure. You are in the middle. Maybe it have been attack here. And the white color as a green color. Here we can see the server cipher, and this type of ciphers used in this website. So many types, and here, as I said, the yellow color mean you have a weak. Here the certification also gives you certification. It give you the signature and the RSA key, and the end it give me the time I opened it. And we will use another tool, which is we will check for DNS, which is called DNS Recon. Just take some time. It will open now. This tool, it show me information about the zone transfer and the dictionary requests and the Google search, because I put these 3 letters here. As you can see here, I have one port open. Also here, this is the same port, and give me another information about it. But the zone transfer is failed each time he try to open a port. Another tool, also it's related to DNS. It's called DNS Lium. You will see here. Okay, the host address. As you can see here, this is the host address. Again, here you can see the host address, and here it gives me a warning, as you can wildcard detect all submain will point to a same IP address. The result containing this IP address, and maybe I'm using an OpenDS server. It still work. It doesn't end yet. Here the name of the servers, and it doesn't give me any mails. Here it's a try to zone transfer and get versions, but unfortunately it's failed, and I tried so many times, it still failed. Here, as we can see, it will take a lot time to finish, so I will not complete it, but it will show me a many subdomains. All of this is related to this website. All of this is subdomains for this, so it will maybe take 1 hour to show all the subdomains, so I will end it here. Now the second, the one after it is Nmap tools, and now you will see what we will have. In this command nmap, I will want to show that by the state of this website, and also I want to show I want to see the version. As you can see here, I have these ports and the state of it. Some of it is closed, and I have here 3 port open. Oh, I'm sorry. I have here 3 port open, which is this port and the version of it, and also this port and the version of it, and also I have this port and the version. So now I will use this command to show me the HTTP methods. Now, as you can see here, I use another tool, which is Nmap, and a script to get HTTP methods, and these some ports are related to it. Now I can see here the port, the state, the server, the service. I have 2 ports open, as we know, and here it's supported to just get method and post method, these 2 ports, and this port is related to database MySQL, and this port related to HTTP proxy. Also, I use another tool, which is DIRP, and it should do also a scan, an wordless scan, and this the information I get from it, and it's have a problem when it do the scan. Now I will show you another example, new tool, which is called Zap. It's look like a perp site. Now the first thing, I fix the security option. I open the proxy, as you can see here. I detect the setting. Now I want to open this website, so I just copy it, and I will go here and open it. because the proxy is on, I will get this message because something went wrong. This website have a risk, so I will just continue. Now if I go to this website, this program, I can find here this website. So I will just do first browser side attack. I will choose the dictionary here, directory list, and I will open it. It will take a long time also, but it will show me this is a get method. It will show me it, and it will open it from this, as you can see here, this Z library, or from port 443. This is open port, and it will get everything from it and save it. As you can hear, some files have data and other not have, and this file I can after it's finished, I can select it and download it, and I get more information from it. It's just the request is until now 2000, and it will have so many files, so it will take a long time. So I will stop here. Also, as you can see here, the flag it show me the blue one is mean the very secure. I don't have any vulnerability actually, but I have maybe some weeks here, so it may be a risk for this website. Now we will do something called bypassing client control. What's the meaning of it? What I do when you search about something or about any word, about any topic, maybe the attacker change the topic you search about. Another example, when you enter any information inside any database in the server, the attacker edit in this information and they change it. How he can do this? I will show you some example. You can see this slide and this box. In this box I will enter any message. Okay, maybe I will enter good night, but I will show you. I have here, this is the old message I try to do. I will enter something it doesn't here. I will enter just good night. Okay, and I will make the interceptors on to I can get it and add what I have it here, the entry what I enter, good night. Okay, now I will add about it, good night today, for example. So and I will forward it. So I should get here good night today, and I just enter good night, and today the attacker added in my entry. So that's what that's called bypassing control client. I will show you another example about bypassing client control. The first thing, I should make sure the intercept is off in the website. Then I will go to this web page. This example all about I want to buy something. As you can see here, movie tickets, and each tickets by €15, and I want to make this priceless. So I will use bypassing client control. And how I can do this? After I make sure the intercept is off, I will just, the first thing, I choose how many tickets I want. Maybe I want 4 tickets, and if I want to buy 4 tickets by €15, it should be 60 euro, but I want to make it less, so I will open the intercept, then I will confirm it. So as I can see here, I have how many tickets I want, then the ticket price, and I want to change it. I can change it from here, but because I don't make a mistake, so I will go here, and this is the ticket price. I will change it from here. I want to make it maybe just €5. Now I will go again here. I can see it's changed to €5. Then I will forward it again to the website. I just click forward, and as you can see here, I'm ordered just 4 tickets, and the total of it is just €20 because I changed each ticket by €5. Now I will do the fifth thing, which I will do something called brute force attack. Now I'm going to brute force attack. The idea of it, I have it mean do a guess for the usernames and password for any website. So the first thing, I will go here and make the interceptors off. I will go to this login page. So actually I shouldn't try it in any page, but I will go here and I will enter any wrong login and password. This is one, and I enter another one is wrong also, and I make the interceptors on, then I will send it. As I can see here, I have the login, I get the password that I enter, so both of them it's wrong. So now I want to try some login and some password without make it confused for the website. So I will go here and send this page. I will send it to introducer. I will go here. This is the host and this is the port I use. It doesn't matter. Here I have the same page what I get in the proxy, all of this information, and here I have cookies here, the login, the password, and the level, secure, and form. All of this, it doesn't matter with me, just which is important for me, the login and a password. So the first thing, I will clear all of this, then I will add just for the login and the password. Then I will choose the type of attack I want. I want to cluster bomb, and then I will go to payload. I want to payload a files. Files have a username and files have a password. So I create 2 files, 2 not files. The one have some username, and other one has some passwords. I just guess it. And I will load the first file, the username, and I want another one for the password. Now I have 35 guess, and I will start the attack. Use attack is started, and it doesn't take a long of time, and just compare each username with each password. As you can see here, it's still comparing. It still have just two, and it's finished. So now it's compared. Now how can I know which password and which username is good? If you see here the length, when I click on the length, I get a one here, the first one, which is, it have a different length. It doesn't same as other design, which is these different lengths is correct, and also different states has a different length and different states, and this is the correct one. And you shouldn't do this in any website, but I tried it in one website, which is the library, when I forget my password. So I have some passwords in my life, I use it, but and I have some emails, so I forget it, but I know these I didn't use another of these thing, so I tried to get my password again without change it. Now we will show example how we can steal the session, the cookie of the session. I will go to this website. I will steal the cookie session, so I will make the interceptor of. Then when I click here, I can find here a cookie and the security levels. As you can see, I will copy it and I will show you. Just I will put it here. Then if we then make it off, if we go to here, as you can see here, the security level is 0, and the PHP sites ID, this is, and the security. This is what I steal, what I get in the website.